Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the appearance on your account on Claude easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, and then as you see here, click on this flash, and then click on your icon profile up here. And then as you see here, you will find this appearance section, so click on it. So as you see here, you can change it to light mode or dark mode, or if you want to keep it just like system. So that's it. If you want to follow the system of the phone, keep it system like this, dark. So that's it. That's how to change the appearance on your account on Claude, easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.